10 Secret Foods That Kill Your Libido and Bedroom Performance. Men over 40. If your drive feels weak, energy is low, confidence drops, and performance struggles, your diet may be the problem, especially these 10 foods. Why diet matters. After 40, digestion slows, testosterone declines faster, stress rises. The foods you tolerated at 25 hurt you now. Food number 1, soy products contains phytoestrogen. Too much equals estrogen dominance. Food number 2, flaxseed promoted as healthy, but high lignans lower male hormones. Food number 3, margarine artificial fats lower testosterone receptors. Food number 4, vegetable oils inflammation equals weak erections. Food number 5, processed meat additives damage blood flow. Food number 6, alcohol and beer equals estrogen spikes. Food number 7, refined sugar insulin resistance kills testosterone. Food number 8, energy drinks crash nitric oxide production. Food number 9, white bread pasta turns into sugar instantly. Food number 10, fried foods oils equals inflammation plus belly fat. Healthy replacements. Eat eggs, avocados, olive oil, fatty fish, oats, berries, spinach. This boosts performance. Which food is hardest to give up? Comment below. Subscribe to Testosterone Boost for Men, 40+.